Okay, good morning. This is Digital Knee-Wame. I'm going to be behind the camera today just for ease of what I'm trying to cover. So our objectives: I can show physics skills to the best of my ability. I can make my best guess if unsure. We're going to review the diagnostic from yesterday. I'm going to take a look at that, discuss what we should have done if you weren't sure. I'm going to pass back hard copy papers that have been graded. We're going to read through our pretest slow. You're going to complete the pretest. And then with whatever time you have remaining, you're going to make corrections on your metric quiz. So we're going to go ahead and start off by, we're going to zoom out from the objective. We're going to start off by reviewing the diagnostic from yesterday, making sure we're understanding the instructions. Okay, so the diagnostic here, you drew a dog. You could draw it on paper or on your page. To draw it on your page, you'd go insert drawing, new, and create a drawing. To draw it on paper, you'd go insert image, camera. You might have had to allow, and then you would insert it, and then you had to label it. Please do note that you're supposed to answer questions in blue or red ink. That applies as like you get down here. So I would say which one I liked best, original, black and white, or sepia, and write that in blue or red. I think this because in blue or red, highlight in your choice of color. And then down here, you use the infographic here to fill in the boxes here. And I apologize that we're seeing that like blinking screen thing. That's what computers look like when you film them with a camera. And then real quick, I want to touch on test correction forms. It's going to be passing back papers. This is what that looks like. So if you're trying to make corrections, you're going to write down the question number. I got this wrong because for number 3, where there's multiple parts, you could put like 3A, 3B. Got this wrong because, and then the correct response should have been. These are going to be shared out on Google Classroom so that you can use them along with a video reviewing the answers to the metric measurement CFA so that you can see what the answers are on that. So that is everything I wanted to cover here. We are going to be doing the slow that you can see pictured up here. That is today's main objective, but I'm going to review that live Knee-Wame instead of here on the digital because I don't want to post that out to everybody on YouTube. So these skills are things that you actually can have and can use and can have for you. So I'm going to turn it over to live Knee-Wame for passbacks, and then we'll read through the slow, like I said, that's right here, and get started on that activity for today. Thanks so much. Happy Friday.